Today I am going to introduce to you a video monitor that can be used for your laptop or desktop or you can use it as a TV if you want it. So the model number is 22mp68vq. The input voltage required is 17.6 watt and the MRP is around 11,000, but I got it for 9,000 in Flipkart, and the voltage and current is 119 watt and 1.3 ampere. So let's just check the features here in this monitor. What we get is an IPS panel. Here it's written new cinema screen. They probably mean it's made of thin bezels and it's color calibrated, and it's comes with AMD Freesync technology, which allows you to boost the default hertz of 60 hertz from 75 hertz if you have an AMD based processor or graphics card. Okay, this is a 22 inch and it's 55 centimeter. So these are just the basics. I just wanted to show you the cover that I got. This is it. This is a black color monitor. So we'll open it now. So just opening. Let's see what's inside. Okay, as you can see, here is the mount, and I think this is the let me take out this. Here we have the adapter, and let's see what the adapter is made. Okay, hope you can see this is a 3-pin adapter, and here the rating says it's 19 volt. Okay, this is the DC plug, and okay, just want to show you this also. Okay, this is the DC plug, and here we have another clip. I think this is for keeping the cable cord intact, and we have the stand mount. It's made of aluminum and a plastic coating is provided. It's all black, and here is the other stand. I think it's going to be mounted in like this. Okay, this is how it's assembled. Okay, we have it here, and we have, I think this is a driver CD. We have the user manual and guide, and we have one HDMI cable with this one. That's good. So we don't have to buy one separate one. Here is the HDMI cable. Just want to show you. Okay. Here is the cable. These are the cables. Okay. Now let's get to the actual monitor itself. Okay, I have it with me. It's covered, and we take off the plastic. Okay, and we have the panel. This is the panel. It's full black. Okay, and it's beautiful, really beautiful to look at with the LG logo, and I will just take it off. And here it's written it's an IPS LED panel, and the LG branding is here. Here we can see the power button, and now let's take a look at the back side. Okay, in the back side we have the VGA port, and here is where we connect the DC adapter that we took earlier, and here is the audio out and DVI and one HDMI port. Now let's see how we we can assemble it in this stand. As you saw earlier, we have this stand and it's easy to just mount it to the stand. You just need to insert it like this. You will hear a clicking sound and that's it. The installation is complete. And this I'll just rip off the black paper, like plastic coating. Oh, as you can here you can also there is a mount. You can mount it to the wall. All the screen of all the screw options are here. You need to buy a separate mount for you to use it like that. The mount is not provided with the box that came in with. Okay, you need to buy it separate. This is the adapter, and I'll just show you now how to. I will just power it on to show. Here, this is how you plug it in. You will hear a sound, and I have connected it to the power socket, and power is going to the monitor. Just want to show you how it looks from here. This is how it looks, and it can be tilted in this way to like this. This is the maximum slide angle. You can slide it in that direction, forward and backward. If you are wondering about the use of this clip, it is used to keep the wires intact. For example, if you want to keep this wire like this, you can clip it like here. Okay, it will lash on and the cables will be like this. It will not get tangled around, and you can also take all the wires and route it through here. Okay, so that it's all kept in one place. Here you can see a screw. I have tightened it. Please always remember to tighten it, otherwise it will get loose and it can damage the screen. We can see here is the power button, and these are the power indication. This is just not just a power button, it's like a joystick control of the full panel. You just need to press like 2 or 3 seconds to actually turn it on. Now there is no signal. I have to connect to an HDMI cable to show you how it's done. Now I will show you how to connect an HDMI cable to this port, and we can see some actual video with this screen now to see how the colors are and things like that. Okay, for that I am going to connect it to my laptop. My laptop has an HDMI port here. I am going to connect it to my HDMI port here. Okay, now I just want to show you the actual video quality of this monitor. So you can see the colors are really good, and the viewing angle is also really good. As you can see, we can get a clear image from the side angle also. This is one of the best features that I liked about this screen. And now let's move to the controls that this thing has. It's got an input interface, and we select all these through. There are different reading modes, custom color modes, preset mode. Okay, so all these controls are made through this button below the monitor. It's act like a joystick, so here you can control all the other features as well. I'll just brush through what all features you get. You have quick settings and the picture, general. These are the menu items that you get on this. So some of you guys might be wondering whether it can be used as a TV, right? So I'll show you how you can use it as a TV too. For that we need a set-top box that have an HDMI cable port. Okay. In my case, I have one HDMI port in my set-top box. Okay, I have connected one end to the set-top box. Now I have to connect the other end to the back of the monitor. As you can see, I have connected the other end to the monitor. Now we'll switch on and see. Now as you can see, it's loading the set-top box. As you can see, we can use it as TV too. Okay. For this sound, I have one extra set of speakers here. You need to connect this audio cable from your speaker to the audio jack. As you can hear, it's working perfectly with a set-top box as well. I will just increase the volume. This is the standby mode. As you can see, the light keeps blinking just below the LG logo, and this is how it looks when it's in standby mode. I really like this product. It looks really great, and the bezels are thin, and if you have a budget of really 10,000 or less, this is one of the best monitor you can get for the price. I got it for 9,000, and I'll give you a link in the description below if you'd like to buy this one from Flipkart. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and do your thing. Thank you.